Feel better today with helpful arthritis tips that do work. When it comes to arthritis, it seems that nobody is safe. Men and women of all ages and fitness levels are potential targets of this painful and degenerative disease. These tips and tricks offer some basic insight into the different options that are available for anyone who is struggling to cope with the symptoms of this condition. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight causes stress on the joints, especially in the knees and hips. This added stress leads to flare-ups of arthritis. This is in addition to the well-known health dangers of being overweight and the detrimental effects it has on your mood and energy levels. Speak with your doctor about a safe weight loss plan. Keeping an arthritis journal can actually help you control your symptoms. Each time your arthritis is bothering you, write about what you do that day in your journal. This way, you can start to see a pattern as to what is causing your arthritis pain so you can slow down on that activity. Take a break, but not for too long. When your body feels tired, it is always trying to tell you something. Relaxing both your body and your mind can give you a much needed rest to allow you to be at your best. Try not to relax too much though, as doing so can actually aggravate symptoms. Get your vision checked regularly. People who suffer from arthritis are much more likely to have issues with their eyes as well. Make sure you take care of yourself by seeing an eye doctor at least yearly, in order to keep track of any developing issues that may occur with your condition. Try hot wax for relief. While heating pads can give great relief when used, they do not completely touch every painful spot. Warm wax envelopes your entire hand or foot, giving you complete relief to the painful areas. Make sure the wax is not too hot, and do not use it too often, or you may cause more irritation than you fix. Do not allow yourself to be belittled or made to feel bad about your condition. Arthritis may keep you from performing specific types of tasks. Guilt or pressure to perform will just make things more stressful, so remember that you are not to blame. Just because you can no longer do the things you used to do, this is not a cause to get down on yourself. Today, there are a variety of treatments and options offered for all types of arthritis and all types of patients. If you or someone you know is affected by the disease, remember the advice from this video, as you seek ways to minimize the pain and the limitations that accompany a diagnosis of arthritis. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.